Between the shadows and the rain, a name upon my screen, calling softly once again. You said the stars were late. I said maybe they were kind. Some stories lose their beauty when they leave the mind. You keep reaching out like a wave against the shore, but some doors stay open when they're never open more. So let's keep it coffee in the daylight, a smile from across the room, a dream we never hold too tight. Let's keep it safe inside the silence, you know, and I know too. Some things survive because we never see them through. You tell me that you need me like it's written in the sky, but I've got a life I've built and I won't tell it goodbye. Still I won't pretend I don't feel the way I do. I just know the difference between a feeling and the truth. And maybe in another life we meet before the timing slips away, but this one gave me different roads and I chose the one I